Hey guys, welcome to another video, and this topic is going to be on using Instagram to dominate. The reason you should create a Instagram account for your product is because you have to stand out from your competitors and create a brand for your product to get those few more sales, guys. So the way you can create an Instagram account for your product is, so as you come into Instagram, you have to find for other Instagram accounts to get idea what it actually looks like to create a brand for your own product, guys. So as we search here in the search bar, Amazon products, and guys, I will show you one account that I already know, Mode Family. As you can see, guys, they have created a brand for themselves, and they have around 13.6k followers, guys. So imagine creating a brand for yourself and getting at least around 10,000 followers, and whenever you launch your product, you can directly post it in your Instagram account, and it will definitely get you more sales, and it will be profitable in the long term, guys. As you can see, they have around 13.6k followers, and they are selling the simple products. This family are selling the simple products with their branding. As you can see, they're branding on their products. So you have to get idea how you can by looking at this Instagram account, how you can create a brand for your product, for your own products, guys. They are literally selling from this Lego box to food bags. So guys, they are literally selling tons of products. As you can see, they are selling something bag like this organizer bag also. And this silicone straight sledge. You can this way you can create a brand for yourself, for your products, and you can grow your Instagram account, and it will definitely help you getting sales for the future products, guys. So in this video I am showing you how you can create a brand for yourself and use Instagram to dominate from your competitors, guys. You can literally create account on a specific niche. If you are selling in a health in fitness category, then you can create in a health and fitness niche, or something like if you are selling in kitchen, then you can sell on kitchen niche. Then you can create a account on then you can post images or something, videos on kitchen niche. It can be a specific niche too, or it can be a general broad niche like this page, guys. So hope you guys got an idea on how you can create a Instagram account for your products to dominate from your competitors, guys.